Start. Para. This petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India is filed to quash the order number DAG 1521, Law and Judiciary Department, Government of Maharashtra, dated 14th January 2022, passed by the respondent number 2, Secretary, Law and Judiciary Department, Mumbai, ordering removal of the petitioner from judicial service and further seeks directions for reinstatement in service with consequential benefits. On 19th March 2010, the petitioner was appointed as a civil judge, Junior Division. During the tenure of his service, the petitioner was posted at various districts till the date of his removal. Pursuant to the complaints with regard to the conduct of the petitioner, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Nandurbar, on 17th February 2017, filed a report with the Office of Respondent number 1. In the said report, it was stated that from the appearance and body language, the petitioner appeared to be an abnormal person, and further several complaints of his conduct and behavior were received by the district judge. At Shahada, the complaints inter alia related to his misbehavior and not attending the court, thereby lowering reputation of judiciary. A confidential letter to the said effect was also sent by the district judge. In the said report, it is also stated that many staff members have complained that the petitioner would arrive in the court under the influence of liquor. The report also states that the members of the Bar Association met Principal District Judge and put forth their grievances, which were on the same lines as stated above. The said grievances were brought to the notice of the then Guardian Judge of Nandurbar District. The said report was accompanied by copy of complaint of Shahada Bar Association and 2 confidential reports of District Judge. Para. The Shahada Bar Association on 25 March 2017 passed a resolution in relation to the behavior of the petitioner and his court functioning, and same was forwarded to the Guardian Judge and requested that the petitioner be sent on leave. On 2nd May 2017, District Judge Jalgaon filed a discreet enquiry report in respect of complaints against the petitioner. The said report was forwarded to respondent number 1. In the said report, District Judge has given a first-hand narration of his visit on 29th April 2017 to the court premises at Shahada Court. On that date, the learned district judge was in the court premises from morning 10:15 a.m. till 6:10 p.m. Observing the behavior and conduct of the petitioner in the court and outside the court. During the said visit, it was found that the petitioner entered into court at 11:17 a.m. and around 70 matters were fixed on criminal board. However, the petitioner unilaterally adjourned the matters without consulting advocate or litigants, and at 12:20 p.m. rose from the dais. After some time, the petitioner sat in the room of clerk and was entertaining advocates, litigants, etc. in that room. He was found loitering around the court premises and talking to the litigants. On enquiry, it was found that since 29th April 2017 was a dry day, no evidence was recorded. On enquiry, it was also found that the petitioner used to take liquor at his house. On 6th January 2018, a serious incident occurred at Maharashtra Judicial Academy at Uttan. The petitioner was selected for 3 days refresher course on mediation at the academy starting from 7th January 2018 to 9th January 2018. At that time, the petitioner was posted at Paithan, Aurangabad. The petitioner arrived at the academy at 11 am along with his peon, although it was the policy of the academy not to bring family members or any other member. In a letter dated 6th January 2018 by Joint Director of the Academy to the Director, Mediation Center of Bombay High Court, it is recorded that the petitioner was in an inebriated state and was not even able to walk properly, and further did not give proper reply. Therefore, the petitioner was relieved immediately. On the relief letter, there is an endorsement that the petitioner was under the influence of alcohol and therefore should be relieved immediately. The said endorsement is that her ladyship, who was in charge of the academy at that point of time, on 8th January 2018, the said incident was reported by the Maharashtra State Legal Services Authority to the respondent number 1, accompanied by a report which was signed by the Joint Director, Deputy Director, Assistant Director and Peon of the Academy. The report in detail narrates the incident. In the said report, it is stated that on enquiry, the petitioner stated that on his way to the academy in the vehicle Gypsy, his vehicle met with an accident and the car got damaged, and he too was severely injured and had took another vehicle to reach the academy. On account of the said incident, he was on mediation and had not consumed the liquor. Stop.